welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing UV resin, and this is the first time I've ever made UV resin. So I just got this kit off Amazon. I just showed it on my previous haul. I've never done UV resin, so I want to give it a try. So what I've got this kit, and it's a kit of 8 coloured UV resins. You get the 2 clear and you get the little nail lamp. All the bottles, they come with the coloured ones with this pink label, but it doesn't actually tell you the colour, so I've had to go through and almost swatch them and write the colours on, although they're smudging off, so I need to find something else to write those on with. But we're going to try that. I've got just a silicone mat down here so I can mix up on the resin on the mat. And what I'm going to try doing, because you can do it with bezels, which I'm going to do another video on, is I've got these nail polish moulds, and I've tried to make these out of normal resin, and it's just really hard. It's hard to control the resin without them mixing together. So to have the ability to do 2 separate parts, because I obviously want to do different colour lid to the bottle, I'm hoping with UV resin I'll have a bit more control. So I'm just going to get this in place. I'm probably going to do a pink with a black lid, and I'm going to use glitter. So I've got my trusted B&M glitters. So I'm just going to move this out the way, set this down, and we'll get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of this pink glitter. I'm just going to pour it onto my mat. I'm going to get some glitter. And I'm going to mix that in with a spatula, and I'll just stir that up. And this probably isn't going to be enough for what I'm making, but we can always mix more. So now here's my mould that I want to do, and I'm just going to put it into the bottle part. That's where I want the colour. I'm definitely going to need more to build it up. But what I'm going to do is, I've done that, but it definitely needs to be a lot more, is I'm going to just cure that to set it in. So I've got my lamp. I'm going to put this under and press that on. So let's put some more of this. That's come out the lamp. That is hard already. Frame. I'm literally just going to build this up. And then I think the rest on this section we'll do with clear. So I'm going to pop that back in the lamp. So I've got black there. So I've got some black glitter, and I'm just going to put the black glitter in like I did with the pink. This is ready to come out in the lamp. And now we're going to do this lid section. So before that starts moving, let's get that under the lamp and get that curing. Whilst it's under the lamp, I'm just holding it at a slight tilt just to make sure that black doesn't run into the pink. After about 10 seconds, that's a flash cure, 10 seconds. You can almost just let go and just let it do its thing. So that's done. Let me check it's hard. It is hard. What I'm going to do, because that's quite a pigmented sort of colour, just to ensure that the light has gone through, is I'm going to put it under the lamp once more. Let's get the clear. going to cure this. I'm going to get that carefully, put that under the light. Okay, so that's been in the lamp. I did do a double cure again just because it was a thick layer. Just checking if I filled. You definitely feel a heat off it, I must say. I can feel a heat off the just trying to see if I can show you the angle. So I'm just thinking one more, just a really thin layer of clear on that. Okay, that's had its final cure now. So now we're ready to see if it'll come out of this mould. So I'm literally going to crack it, as you do. And it's out. Needs a bit of a trim. So I've got the perfect new tool for that. So there is my finished piece. There is a little bit of an indent here. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my black. I think that was my black. And I'm literally going to fill that hole. So I've just filled the hole. I haven't put no glitter, I've just put the black colour. Just smooth out the other bits. I'm just going to pop this back in the lamp face up. Okay, so there's the 2 nail polish bottles complete. I did one that I showed you there in the pink. There's my one in the green. I think they come out really good. What I found is that even after you've done a couple of cures, they still feel a bit soft. So I just put them back under the lamp just to ensure that they are fully cured. But they're great, aren't they? Stick a little keychain in the top. And there's your little key rings, and you can think of how many colours you could do. So I hope you've just found this video useful. Shows you the possibilities of UV resin. It's my first time and I've got to say I'm impressed. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.